Welcome back, beautiful people. If you're looking for easy indoor plants for beginners, low-maintenance houseplants, or just want to green up your space without the stress, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into 14 super easy indoor plants that anyone, even the most forgetful plant parent, can keep alive and thriving. Whether you live in an apartment, a dorm, or a busy home, these plants are your new best friends. So stick around till the end, because some of these might just surprise you. Number 1. Snake plant, also known as Sansevieria or mother-in-law's tongue. The snake plant is nearly indestructible. It thrives in low light and only needs water once every couple of weeks. Plus, it purifies the air. Number 2. Pothos, also known as devil's ivy. This gorgeous trailing plant is super forgiving. You can grow it in water or soil and it handles low light like a champ. Just snip and propagate. Super fun and easy. Number 3. ZZ plant or Zamioculcas zamiifolia. If your thumb is more black than green, the ZZ plant is for you. It tolerates low light, dry air, and even some neglect. And those shiny leaves? Instant vibe. Fourth on our list is the peace lily. Want a plant that actually tells you when it's thirsty? The peace lily droops when it needs a drink and perks right back up after watering. Plus, it also helps clean indoor air. Next up, we have the spider plant. This plant looks amazing in hanging baskets and produces babies or offshoots you can repot. It's low maintenance, pet-friendly, and perfect for beginners. Aloe vera. Not only is aloe vera easy to care for, but it also has healing properties. Just make sure it gets some bright light and don't overwater. It likes to stay dry. Chinese evergreen, also known as aglaonema, is a fantastic choice for adding instant style to any room with its beautiful variegated leaves. It thrives in low to medium light, and well, it even tolerates occasional forgetfulness. The cast iron plant is named for its toughness. This plant can survive low light, temperature changes, and neglect. It's ideal for those who want greenery without the drama. Lucky bamboo, though technically not a bamboo, grows well in water or soil and is believed to bring good luck. Just keep it in indirect light and you're golden. The rubber plant, also known as Ficus elastica, is a real beauty. It can grow tall and give your space a bold, modern look. It loves bright, indirect light and prefers to dry out between waterings. Next up we have the jade plant or Crassula ovata. This succulent with its thick, shiny leaves symbolizes prosperity and is incredibly easy to care for. Just give it sunlight and let the soil dry out between drinks. Philodendron heartleaf. With soft heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines, this plant is a stunner. It's fast-growing, low maintenance, and loves to be ignored now and then. Fittonia, also known as the nerve plant. If you like a splash of color, Fittonia's red or white-veined leaves are gorgeous. It needs a bit more humidity, but it tells you when it's thirsty by drooping slightly. Dracaena. This tall, sleek plant is a great way to add height to your plant collection. It tolerates lower light and doesn't need frequent watering. Perfect for busy folks. Which one of these easy indoor plants is going on your wish list? Or do you already have a favorite? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know what your plant journey looks like. And if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share with a fellow plant lover, and subscribe to support my small channel. Every little bit means the world and helps me bring more nature into your day. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay green and keep growing.